Girls, today we are going to see the fifth exercise. It's same like in negative form only, but we should not use pa here. We are use but. Yes, today it is given in the sentence. We have to change it into a past tense ways. Yesterday, like this, you have to change. Verb, you have to change it in past tense. The given verb is present tense. That we have to change it in past tense. That only is given here. Okay, we will see the first question now. See here. The first question, Prakash is taken some gas or petrol today. Prakash prompt the desolence ojurudi. So, okay, some petrol or gas Prakash is filling in the car or scooter. So, prandr is the verb. So here prawn the verb you have to use. Prawn is given in the present tense because the sentence is in ojurudi. Ojurudi means today. Prawn you have to change it into past tense, that is passe compose. And if you change the past tense word, then this present ojurudi today is changed for year tomorrow. No, may you have to write for all the sentence. Prakash is a masculine singular. So, he. Il means he. Prakash is changed, is now he. Okay, Prakash pronoun is he. Okay. No, but he has taken, that prandr is changed now, passe compose. Taken the petrol year. Year means yesterday. The given value is ojurudi, present tense, but year is the past tense. So verb is changed for in the passe compose. Is it clear? Our auxiliary verb we are using here. Prandri is re only, but you should not go in general rule. So special participle word is given in the box in your book. That prandri verb we have to use. Second, sham etwa, sham and you, who deshane and wheel ojurudi. You have the lunch together in the city today. Ojurdi means today. Ojurdi, given verb that is in present tense. Deshane verb is in infinitive form. Deshane, er is ending with. You have to conjugate this deshane in past passe compose. Now we can change. Sham and you had the lunch. So you have to change sham and you. That again you should not use the sham and you. You is changed for we. Nu is changed for woo. Is changed for nu. Woo is plural. Two persons are there. So we had nu avvo deshane. We had the lunch in the city yesterday. See clearly, two things only we are doing, verb and today, ojurdi. That is, verb present tense, we have to change it in past passe compose and year because expression is yesterday. Passe compose, we are using our as the auxiliary verb. So, nu avvo. Nu avvo deshane. So, er is ending as usual, general rule, ex sangrav. Okay, third one. Wait, we will change here. The student obtain the result, the example ojurudi. The students are getting the result in the exam today or obtain. So here also infinitive word of obtain. Obtain is obtine. Passe compose. obtenir it will be in the present tense. So obtenir is not found in the given box. So you have to use our as the auxiliary verb. Students is plural. So plural form of pronoun is il. Le, le etudiant is ending in s, so it is plural form, the people or the students. So you have to use pronoun as il. Okay, our verb of il is o. Il o. They had got the result, the exam yesterday. Today is changed for yesterday. Il you have to check. Our auxiliary verb is changed. It is normally tenir is tenir. Obtenir, ob is added here. Obtenir of the past participle is obtenu. Ir is changed now here u. So optimistic box is not given there, so we are using our verb, our auxiliary verb. Then fourth one, il fait beau aujourd'hui. He or whether, il is referent for he or some unknown persons, or whether. Weather is good today. So fair is fair. Optimistic verb is given there. Fair, aujourd'hui is present tense, so fair. Answer you have to given in past tense. No, मैं il. Fair is changed for passé composé, but il for our auxiliary verb. Conjugation for our for il is a. Fair bon hier. Aujourd'hui is changed as year. Fair is changed now a fair. Okay, now fifth one. Tu, toi et Preeti, vous nettoyez votre chambre aujourd'hui. You and Preeti, you should clean the room today. Nettoyer, nettoyer. Er, it is ending in er. So I have to change now. No. No. May. Plural form. You and Preeti. So no. You is included here. No. Plural form. No. Nous avons had. Nous avons nettoyé. Our conjugation avons nettoyé autre chambre hier. Er you cut and add e accent grave. Votre is changed for notre because your room it is given, but when we are presenting the answer it is our room. So our bedroom. So the votre is changed here notre. That also be careful, ma. When you are writing, concentrate and write. Then only it is easy. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Call me and ask, or in through WhatsApp you can ask. Okay. Thank you. Next exercise. As soon as possible, I will forward it. Thank you.